For some people, investing is at odds with their values because it means supporting large corporations with corrupt practices. Unfortunately, many of the companies with the biggest returns on the stock market are also some of the biggest polluters on the planet. So, is it possible to make money without compromising your values? After all, no matter how much you may hate supporting oil companies, investing still is the best way to build wealth, and no one wins if you don't have money. Quick spoiler alert, it is entirely possible to invest ethically and still make money, which I'm going to explain in this video. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to tell you about the investment advisor I love to make sure that you can build wealth without ensuring that you're supporting companies that clash with your values. So if you're ready to start contributing to a better world while building wealth, drop a green heart emoji in the comments and let's get started. What is ethical investing? Ethical investing, also called socially responsible investing or ESG investing, is an investment strategy that prioritizes and aligns with your moral and social values so that you can make money without supporting companies that are harming the planet. Sounds great, right? This can mean investing in companies that provide safe and healthy workplaces for their employees, that prioritizes clean energy, that creates healthy products, that values employee diversity, and so many more values. So, is ethical investing possible and lucrative? Can you actually make money from it? So one widespread misconception about ethical investing is that it isn't as profitable as traditional investing, but that's just untrue. While no investment is guaranteed, the performance of ethical funds has been shown to be similar to the performance of traditional funds. In fact, some research shows that ethical investing actually gives you better return. How could that be? Because having ethical practices may actually help these companies perform better. I mean, think about it. Employees who are treated better are often happier and therefore better at their jobs. Companies that are thoughtful about their impact on the environment can then avoid fines and lawsuits for issues like mismanagement of toxic waste disposal. And since ethical companies tend to be proactive at avoiding issues, they may be less likely to have fraudulent transactions, sexual assault, or harassment cases as well. The great news is that there are more options to ethically invest today than there ever have been, making it much easier to align your portfolio with your values and feel good about where you're putting your money. So let's talk about how to invest ethically. So just like with regular investing, as we've talked about in other videos, there are multiple ways to invest. One is using a robo-advisor. So with a robo-advisor, you have slightly less control over what you're investing in, but it's all automated and rebalanced for you in exchange for a small fee. The other is DIY investing, where you choose the individual ETFs you want to invest in and build your own portfolio. This requires that you review and rebalance your portfolio each year. So to decide which option you want to go with, it helps to start by asking yourself why you care about ethical investing. Is it to protect the environment? Is it because you care about gender rights? So the first step to investing ethically is deciding what ethically means to you. What are your morals and values? What are the things that you care about and you either want to invest in or want to avoid with your investments? The way to do this is to start with your values. So once you identify your values, you want to ask yourself, are there things that you want to invest in specifically? And are there companies that you specifically don't want in your portfolio? Are there industries that you do want in your portfolio or don't want? And do you care if companies make weapons or tobacco? One way you can do this is to use the Invest Your Values website to decide what ranking or score you're okay with. For example, you could decide that you only want to invest in ETFs that score a B or higher in fossil fuels, firearms, and tobacco. So if you know there are specific companies that you don't want to invest in, you're likely going to use the DIY approach instead of robo-investing to be able to exclude those. Because with robo-advising, you don't have the option to change the portfolio that specifically. So now I'm going to dig into the different options between robo-advising and DIY. So for robo-advising, which is truly the simplest, easiest way to get started, there are 3 robo-advisors I like that offer 100% socially responsible portfolios. They are Wealthfront, Betterment, and Carbon Collective. Each of these companies charges a management fee of 0.2 to 0.25% of your assets as an annual fee for managing your portfolio and rebalancing it each year. So as someone who understands finance and tries to be extremely conscious about her impact on the world, I have loved Carbon Collective. It's a really great solution for investing ethically and still getting high returns. Carbon Collective takes a three-pronged approach to ethical investing. They first divest money away from companies and industries that rely on fossil fuels. 2, they reinvest into companies that are building climate solutions. And 3, they vote and pressure companies that can be eco-friendly into exploring more eco-friendly options. So for example, a company like Coca-Cola isn't necessarily a climate-forward company. They use a lot of plastic in their packaging, and their transportation generates high emissions, but its core business of making soda does not depend on fossil fuels. And so they could start implementing clean energy and bioplastic. So Carbon Collectives tries to pressure these sorts of companies to start supporting the environment by changing their ways. However, if you still feel uncomfortable investing in companies like this, which I completely understand, then Carbon Collective does offer all green portfolios, which focus entirely on clean, climate-forward companies. If you want to learn more about Carbon Collective, Wealthfront, or Betterment, we'll leave links in the description below. They're all great robo-advisors. Now, the second option, if you want more control over what you're invested in, or you want to avoid the management fees of a robo-advisor, is to build your own portfolio using ETFs that are aligned with your values. So I recommend using the tool I mentioned earlier on the website Invest Your Values. This allows you to search for ETFs that are aligned with what you care about. And as you build out your own portfolio of ETFs, you want to make sure you're including diversification. So some stocks, some bonds, depending on your age, and then within stocks, some US, some international, possibly real estate. And then within either US or international stocks, some large cap, mid cap, and possibly small cap stocks. That's how you get total diversification. As you're choosing ETFs, you want to look for them ones with expense ratios as low as possible. Below 0.3% or even lower is ideal. Sometimes you will end up paying more for these aligned ETFs, but you should be able to find some for less than 0.3. Here's a sample ethical portfolio just to give you an idea. This portfolio includes 2 large growth ETFs, VIGAX and QQQ. It includes 3 mid caps focused on climate, so CCSO, NUMG, and ICLN, and then an international ETF and a real estate ETF, SCHH. And you can see here that all of the expense ratios are 0.4% or lower. So this is just a sample ethical portfolio based on someone who cares about fossil fuels, deforestation, firearms, and tobacco. The last thing I want to say is thank you for caring about this. One of the reasons that we care so much about getting more wealth in the hands of more women is because they tend to use it to support their families, their communities, and the planet. So whatever it is that you care about, just remember that having money empowers you to build the kind of world that you want to live in. It allows you to support the companies and causes you care about and speak up for what you believe in. So thank you for caring about investing ethically and contributing to a better world while building wealth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment so we know to make more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching.